welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Miss JenMarie. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. I'm back. So before we go any further, if you're not already subscribed to your girl YouTube channel, why not? Be like Nike and just do it. Join the fam. We welcome you. Bang, bang, boom. I done said my piece. We can move right on along. So if you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a mini little look featuring some of like my current beauty faves right now. I've never really done like a beauty faves video because I mean, I feel like it has become a little tainted in the influencer world, but I thought that I would share some of the ones that like I've been using, like been riding with. So we're gonna start off with skincare. I'm not gonna go through like every single beauty thing, but the ones that actually stick out to me. So without further ado, my skin, we're gonna start off with skin, is oily, acne prone skin. So I just had a breakout. So I try not to touch my face. I try to do what my mom says and just don't touch it. But I wash my face with like gentle cleanser. But one thing that I do use is I use the MURAD multivitamin infusion oil at night. So I usually mix this in with one of my moisturizers. And what I can say is that I notice a difference on the days that I do not use this. So if I have like a quick turnaround trip to like a day trip, like I'm gone for like a night and then I come back and I forget to use this, like I can tell a difference. So I really do like it. It helps lighten up my acne scars. I have had so many acne scars before, so the fact that I use this like regularly, I've been using this for years, and it just clears them up over time. So that's one of my holy grails. Now, to know me is to know that I am super cheap. I'm always looking for a deal. Like I can't help myself. Like if I can score a sale, like I'm here for it. I will swipe the card. But for the people that like Glam Glow and y'all still using the mask, the SEPHORA mask, their mattifying mask, it does the same dang thing. Like I literally mask my face at least once a week, if not twice, depending on how the environment is outside, you know. Gotta keep it fresh, gotta keep it nice. I usually only use this like I use my gentle cleanser, and then I don't use toner when I use this because I just feel like it just strips my face away and like my face just feels super dry. But I usually use this like once a week. Like I love it. And then for my hair, because I do wear a lot of protective styles, I do wear wigs, but your girl got inches. She got inches underneath all of this hair situation. And what I love using is I like using the Brigio. I hope this is how you say it. This is the Rosarco Milk. It's the reparative leave-in conditioning spray. It literally has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Like it might as well be all natural. And I literally like spray this on my head every morning. Like I literally like wet my scalp a little bit, get it all nice and moist, and then I go in and work the way till I feel good about it. And my hair feels so soft. So when I take down my hair, whether I'm taking down braids, whether I'm taking down crochets, whether I'm just letting my hair breathe, it feels so soft and nice and not oily like bad, but oily in a way to where it's like I can tell that my hair, although it has been up in braids, it hasn't been suffering, if that makes sense. Then my next beauty favorite is the Apto Skincare. This is the Face Mist Broom Visage. I guess I'm pronouncing it right, wrong, I don't know, but I'll leave it in the description box. I use this to prep my face for makeup or just to hydrate my face, even if I don't have on any makeup, even if it's like a lip gloss and mascara day. Like I use this like religiously, and it just makes me feel so refreshed. And it smells clean. I love a good like mist that smells clean. It doesn't smell like alcohol-y or too much fragrance in it. Just smells clean. I like it. And then for foundation, I'm gonna kind of do my makeup a little bit because I do have somewhere to go today. I have been using this, I know how to pronounce it, but I'm not going to. I'll leave it in the description box, but it is a primer that I really do love. It's a gel-based primer, which I didn't think I would actually like. It's like the consistency is like really jelly, you know, it's weird. The only thing that I don't like about this particular primer is the fact that it has a fragrance smell to it, like, and I don't like fragrances, but I do like the way that my makeup finish looks. But yeah, no, I hate that it smells like anything. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let that kind of just sit in and mix in with the face mist. I usually don't like go right in with foundation after I like put my primer on, because I just like my face to kind of just sit a little. And then if you saw my last video, I have been wearing this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation in the color Y455, also known as Praline. I've been using this for 2 weeks straight, and I must say that I'm quite impressed with the fact that it does have a matte finish, because again, I'm an oily, acne prone skin person, so to have a foundation that like sets well throughout the day, that's something that I'm like, okay, all right. Because everybody, if you've been following me, you know for a fact that your girl likes, I don't want to use that brush, the CoverGirl True Matte Made Foundation, NARS, Lancome Tintido. Like, I like, when I say I like matte foundations, that is what I mean. I do not waver. And there are a lot of ones, like foundations, that say like, oh, you know, we're, you know, matte, but I end up having a dewy finish. It has happened. I'm not gonna drop no names, but y'all can relate. And then I don't really do my brows, but I have this kind of brow routine that I do. I usually just use my holy grail. This is an Anastasia brow definer in medium brown. I know she has like the Brow Wiz, but like I like this one better. Just because I'm a little reckless when it comes to like pencils that are too thin. Like, I bought the Brow Wiz once and it broke. I was too rough with it. But at least with this one, if I decide that I want to color in my brows, it's a little thicker, you know what I'm saying? It's a little thicker. But I digress. So to set, this is literally my brow routine. I literally comb through my brows, and then I take my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, and I just kind of work that in. And this, I mean, ladies, gents, if you don't have to touch your eyebrows, like, don't. If you have naturally, you know, full eyebrows, got a nice semi-arch to them, just do what my mama says and just don't touch them. For my powder, if y'all been watching a couple of my videos, y'all know that I'm down with Ciaté London. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I really love this stuff. Like, I didn't think I would, because I usually kind of like powders that are a little, they have a little tint to them, a little yellow in them, a little beige, you know, because I can't be out here looking ashy. So I literally put this on wherever I get the most oily, and I just kind of just pat it in. Like, I don't bake, excuse me, because I feel like that was a trend that we were doing in like 2015, and like that trend has passed, and we wasted a lot of products when we were baking. But I do know some people that still bake, so no shade, no tea. I'm just here telling y'all what I don't like to do. For my eyeshadow palette, I have been using this Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette for about 2 months. When did my mom come up here? So 2 months. And I slept on it. I really did. And I feel bad for sleeping on it. I do love like a simple look. Like with these colors, like you can truly do like a simple look. For me, I'm literally just gonna take 2 colors and swipe it over my eyes. So on a day like today, when I need to look put together but not too drastic, I literally will just take the Zam color, this one right here, and I'll mix it with Wigglies, and I'll just press that onto my eyelids together and then just sweep it over my eyelids. Y'all know, if y'all been rocking with your girl, y'all already know the tea when it comes to this powder. I think I'm gonna drop some money at Ulta and Sephora, and I'm just gonna buy some foundation like powder, like some finishing powder, and just try. But I'm like, I told y'all my skin is weird, so I'm like, man, I don't want to be out here trying some stuff, because you know, makeup companies be funny about you returning stuff if it don't work for you, and I'll be doggone if somebody say, well, you can't return this because it's open. Who would have a Lakeisha Jenkins moment? It would be me. It would be me. But no, I literally am just gonna kind of give myself a little bit more life. And then for my bronzer, like, I keep it a buck with y'all. Like, I really honestly, when it comes to makeup, whatever's the closest I grab. Like, that is literally how I have functioned in life all this time. It's like, if I gotta go and be looking for it, I'm not gonna use it. I'm just not. So if I'm using something over and over and over in my videos, because it's closer, not because it's like my all-time favorite. But this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Saddle. It gives me like a nice, it's a cool tone bronzer, which I don't really mind, because it just works well with my skin, because I'm on the more neutral / warm side, but it works. All right, and then for highlighter, I did not start enjoying OFRA until like just here recently. I know the Nikki Tutorials had a good deal going on with them, where she had like different highlighters and different products with them, but I never gave them a try until now. And this is the Madison Miller collab with them, and this is in the color Moondance. This highlighter just gives me all kind of vibes, and I literally just work it away till I feel good about it. But then I also take some on my brow bone, just so I can glisten just a little bit, you know, just a little. I just like the way that it looks back. Like, if I have like a really good selfie day, or if the sunlight or natural light is like really good, like this, definitely it jams. Like, not gonna lie to you.
A few moments later.
For my, I don't even have a current favorite for my eyeliner. It's just whatever works, whatever is closest. Right now, I just use my NYX matte liquid liner. It's just generic. I literally like go in the Ulta and go to the NYX part and look for eyeliner and just be like, oh, is this liquid, is it matte, in the basket. But for my mascara, I still use, okay, so I still use the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I use this if I'm not wearing any falsies or anything. And then sometimes I'll use this as well. It's the, I want to say Dolce. It's the Punk Volumizer Mascara. I'll put the link down in the description box. I've actually been riding with this, and I really do like the fact that it has like more volumizing like tips. So I'll usually like go over, like, it's method. So I'll go and comb out my, you know, eyelashes with this, and then go back in with the more volumizer and just until I feel good about it, you know. It's a method to my madness. I know sometimes it just don't make sense, but there's a method. To set everything in place, I have been really, like, as y'all can see, it's almost gone. I've been loving this Pixi Glow Mist. It's like so refreshing, and it goes on, it feels weird going on because it feels like a whole bunch of oil has been sprayed on your face, but once it's set, it just gives you a nice little finish. It has a bit of a weird smell, but I mean, I can live with it. I like the job that it does, so I mean, I can overlook some of that. And then to add an extra hedge of protection on my face, I use the Morphe Continuing Mist. And now I feel like my face is protected throughout the day. And then I literally, like, I don't have like a favorite lip product at the moment. Like, I haven't, other than, I'm lying. So my favorite lip product right now is the Hanalei, the Sugar Lip Scrub. I usually like use this like at least once or twice a week. Because the winter and wind can be brutal up in New York, like, it's kind of, I have to use it more often. I must admit I use it more often than not, because I like my lips to be nice and kissable, you know. But no, I usually just gloss down my lips, call it a day, you know. I be out here looking real basic. but put together. All right, y'all, so I totally forgot to let y'all know what my favorite lashes are. Like, I have a favorite brand. I don't care what lashes they make, but Ardell, I literally have Ardell. Ardell. I have never, ever in my life, ever since I've been wearing lashes, I haven't shopped it. I haven't used any other brand other than Ardell. Like, I gravitate towards them. When Ulta has them, buy one get one 50% off. I load up my cart. I don't care the cost. Like, I load up, you know. So those are my favorite lashes. Like, I love them to pieces. Like, and they're so natural. Like, I've never had like a bad pair of Ardell lashes at all. But anywho, your girl looks as put together as she gonna be. Like, since I've lived in New York, I have been digging sweaters and sweatshirts. Like, that's all I wear, but I dress them up. I think I'm gonna do a lookbook on how I style my sweaters. Like, your girl be out here looking like comfy cute all the time.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
That is all the time that your girl has today. Let me know what you think of this video. Like, comment, share with your friends, all that jazz. Bing bang boom, we in there. And if you're not already screaming your girl single living life, you are doing yourself a disservice. But I'm gonna do you a solid. I'm gonna put a link in the description box below so you can check it out. And yeah, be on the lookout for some other music that I have dropping this year, because it's about to be a musical year for Miss JenMarie. But I digress. You didn't hear it from me, all right? But anyways, again, I've been trying to end this video for like 2 minutes. But yes, that is all the time that your girl has today. Remember, until my next upload, kindness does not cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until my next upload, remember to be kind and to be you.